Welcome to our YouTube video. We're here to talk about Corsair's new MP600 Mini SSD, a form factor compatible with Valve's popular Steam Deck gaming handheld. Valve's Steam Deck is a great gaming experience with 64GB of M.2 storage included, and you can even upgrade to optional 256GB or 512GB in SSDs. However, if you want to upgrade to more internal storage, you're somewhat limited due to Valve's use of the M.2 2230 form factor for the SSD. That's where Corsair's new MP600 Mini come in. The PCIe Gen 4x4 model is built specifically for the Steam Deck's smaller M.2 2230 form factor. The SSD uses the FISN PS5021E21T controller and boasts impressive data transfer speeds, 4,800 megabits per second read and 4,800 megabits per second write in sequential speeds, and 850,000 IOPS and 1,100,000 IOPS in random reads and writes. The downside is that all Steam Decks ship with a PCIe Gen 3x4, meaning the maximum theoretical throughput would be only 4 GB per second, with most drives topping out at around 3.5 GB per second. And if you have a 256GB or 512GB in SSD, it's even lower as they are designed to work on a PCIe Gen 3x2 interface, maxing out at 2 GB per second. So if you want to upgrade your storage and keep the same speed, you now have an option with the Corsair MP600 Mini. Currently, it's not yet available in the US, but you can find it in certain retailers in Europe, currently listed for around €119, $130. However, if you need a replacement SSD for your Steam Deck now, you can opt for a 1TB Inland TN436 for $119 or a 1TB Sabrent Rocket 2230 for $159.99 at Amazon. To conclude, Corsair's MP600 Mini SSD is an excellent choice if you want to upgrade your Steam Deck storage, or even run the same speeds. While not available in the US yet, you could find it in some retailers in Europe, or you can opt for some other options if you need to replace your Steam Deck's internal storage. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech and gaming news from Tom's Hardware.